Hey guys, so I'm all done at Smiley's. I had such a blast. As you see, like they had so much yarn. It was a little overwhelming and I kind of went over budget just by a little bit. Hey guys, we just made it on the ferry. I'm going to take more footage of walking around just to give you a little tour of it. I don't know if you guys can feel or hear that vibration. It's unbelievable. So we're turning around. Before we just left dock. So we stood here and said hello to Connecticut because that's the way we were facing. And now we are saying goodbye, New York. It was a great day. So here we are up on the upper deck of the back of the bow. And its view. It's so jumpy and I'm trying not to be jumpy, but the wind is just blowing me. Did my phone just die? Hey guys, I'm back. So we've just arrived at Food Truck Paradise, and this little clip, it will be a little tiny showing of all the food trucks and all the happenings. And then awesomely enough, there's a beach on the other side of all the food trucks, which, you know, is pretty awesome. That's where we're going to sit down and have our dinner, is right in front of the beach. So here we go. Because it's darker out. So guys, this is what the beach looks like right outside of the Food Truck Paradise. We are not going to be dining outside this evening though. We are going to go check into the hotel. It is a little cold, a little windy. Our food might get cold. The hotel is only right down the street. And it is low tide on the beach today, which is awesome. So that's the view. And then you come down and there's just nothing but food trucks and traffic and people coming and going and seagulls eating. Alright guys, I'll see you back at the hotel and show you what we got for dinner. Good morning guys. So last night when we got up to the hotel and I was just about to film what we got at Food Truck Paradise, but my phone died and I didn't feel like going out in the rain and getting the charger, so we just ate. But the good news is that upon leaving the hotel this morning to go back home, we are going to backtrack 24 minutes to go back to Food Truck Paradise because it's so delicious and we're here, and I think we're going to plan on doing that anyway because it's so good. So I'll just show you what we got for lunch today then at Food Truck Paradise once we get out and get our order and get our food and head back to the car. It is chilly again today. It was raining this morning, so we're probably going to eat in the car. I'll see you soon, guys. So here we go. Here we are, guys. We just arrived again at Food Truck Paradise. I just wanted to show you again the bay ocean that we got here. It is high tide now, so the water's right up to the waterline. We got some duckies swimming away, having a good time. It is chilly out, though, let me tell you. We're going to go get our grub on. I'll see you soon. Alrighty, guys, I'm back. So we did get lunch at, here at Food Truck Paradise. So we have is empanadas. We got a lobster, a shrimp, and a beef and cheese. And then in here is going to be oven baked potato. One is steak and the one on the bottom is chicken. Oh, that looks amazing. I can't wait. When we came yesterday, these guys were already closed because there's an ordinance that if you don't close right at 6, then like you get fined and whatnot. And then over in this one is my favorite, which is the main reason that we come down here, and that's going to be elote, which is corn on the cob with mayonnaise, believe it or not, cheese, and then this spicy, limey, yummy sprinkle of goodness on top. Now let me tell you, if I would have known that this was smothered in mayo before the first time I tried it, I probably would have been very reluctant to try it. But now that I know what it is, I'm okay with it because it tastes delicious. It is the best corn on the cob that I've ever had in my life. I love it. I cannot get enough of it. I had a cob last night for dinner, and now I'm having a cob for lunch today. So that wraps up my whole entire trip, guys. So I'm going to show you one more time of our view as we're going to look out our windows and have our lunch before we head back home. Thanks for stopping by, guys. It has been a blast. Thank you for subscribing. Make sure you like and share this video. That would be awesome. Look, guys, it's high tide today. It's not low tide. Yay. I'll check y'all later. Be safe. Stay groovy. Bye.